Sierra red fox is probably one of the most endangered species in North America.
Love looks different from time to time. It can look scared and it can look tired.
房间进来之后会先到玄关，玄关有个小冰箱，整体空间蛮大的。玄关的右手边会看到一个卫浴空间，里面没有浴缸，采干湿分离。房内有一张双人床。客厅是没有附电视的，但我觉得来这里休息的话，其实没有电视也没有关系。然后我们来的时候是淡季，所以住起来蛮安静的。我不知道是不是因为客人比较少的关系。好好吃哦！
好吃啊！
我平常出门如果要化妆的话，我的步骤超级简单的，我只会擦防晒，然后画眉毛跟口红。这是山，然后大熊跟小熊，好温馨哦，好温馨哦。我以前会买这个，好好笑。
3个都买？
不会，我会挑一个买。
Hi, good morning, guys. What can we do for you? All right, medium ice latte.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a great day, man.
You too.
Cause our love is made of something real. It's made of something sweet. Past the lips and through the teeth. Honey, dig in. Find your inner peace. Look how rosy.
One way we can tell that it is a gray fox is anytime you see a fox, it's very important to do so, is look at the tip of the tail. If the tip of the tail is black, you got yourself a gray fox. If the tip of the tail is white, you have a Sierra red fox. And if you have a Sierra red fox, you're probably seeing only one of dozens left in the state of California.
something sweet. Times words don't go that deep. Honey, dig in, find your inner peace. I got roses to give.
Thank you.